I just love the city of Miramar. Its slogan of beauty and progress perfectly describes this suburb of Northwest Miami and Southwest Fort Lauderdale.
This location is ideal for quick and easy access to major metros.
If you have little ones, then this is the place for you. This family-friendly community not only offers exceptional parks, but it also features the #1 rated school in all of Florida, Somerset Academy of Miramar.
In addition to the location, school, and parks that Miramar offers, it also features one other really amazing thing. What do you think that is, Chris?
Your new home with exceptional lake views in the gorgeous community of Escada.
This 3,348 square foot home features 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a large 2-car garage with extra storage.
This home also has the biggest lot in the entire community. Not only does it have the largest lot, but thanks to the pie shape, it also has more lake frontage than any other home in Escada.
Your yard is not only spacious, but fenced in to keep your real babies next to your fur babies and close by at all times. Inside is even more spectacular. We have 2 floors of spotless living space.
Not only is your new home spotless and clean, but it comes with diagonal cut tile, crown molding throughout, high ceilings, and check out this modern kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances. But the best part, let me show you what that is. It is right here in the front of your new home. One of the most sought after features that I get when people call when they want to buy a house in South Florida. They ask me if there's a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs, and here there is. This is perfect for your in-laws or maybe your favorite kid. And what about your other 4 bedrooms? Well, they're up here on the 2nd floor. And before we show you those, check out these beautiful cherry wood floors. They just help make the neutral walls pop. And not only that, they carry over to your stair rail, which is a very nice touch.
On the other side of the 2nd floor, you have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a full bath.
Let me show you the primary bedroom. It is extremely spacious and versatile. You have a huge walk-in closet, a sitting area, you can put a desk there, maybe a love seat, a large bathroom, but the best part of all is your private balcony with lake views. Your new Miramar home perfectly embodies the spirit of beauty and progress. Here is not just a home, but it's a lifestyle. By the way, if you'd love to see videos just like this one, please hit the notification bell and the subscribe button.